Meta Quest 3 users frequently encounter various menu loading problems that can disrupt their VR experience. Understanding these issues and knowing how to address them immediately is crucial for maintaining smooth operation. The most common menu loading issues include black screens when accessing the main menu, frozen interface elements that don't respond to input, partial menu loading where only some components appear, tracking loss causing menu displacement, and laggy menu interactions. These menu loading problems typically stem from three main categories of issues: tracking system failures, memory and processing bottlenecks, and software conflicts. Tracking system failures occur when poor lighting conditions or reflective surfaces disrupt the headset's inside-out tracking cameras, or when Guardian boundary data becomes corrupted. Memory and processing bottlenecks happen when too many background applications consume system resources, thermal throttling occurs from overheating, or insufficient RAM is allocated for UI rendering. Software conflicts arise from outdated applications interfering with the system UI, corrupted user profile data, or network connectivity problems affecting cloud-synced menu elements. When experiencing menu loading issues, there are 4 immediate troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem quickly. First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This restarts the system without losing your data and often resolves temporary glitches. Second, repair your controllers by removing and re-adding them in the device settings. Controller connectivity issues can prevent proper menu interaction. Third, reset your Guardian boundary by clearing and reconfiguring your play area. Corrupted Guardian data can cause menu displacement and tracking issues. Finally, if other methods fail, boot into safe mode for advanced diagnostics. This provides access to a minimal interface where you can perform more comprehensive troubleshooting. To enter safe mode, hold the volume down and power buttons simultaneously, then select Boot Device from the menu. This gives you access to diagnostic tools and recovery options. These immediate troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of Meta Quest 3 menu loading issues. If problems persist after trying these solutions, more advanced troubleshooting may be required. Remember this quick fix sequence. Start with a soft reset, then repair controllers, reset Guardian boundaries, and finally use safe mode if needed. These steps address the most common causes and provide immediate relief from menu loading problems. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve persistent Quest 3 menu loading issues, advanced environmental optimization becomes critical for stable VR performance. Room temperature control is essential. Your VR space must remain below 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 degrees Celsius to prevent thermal throttling that causes menu failures. Proper lighting is crucial for tracking stability. Reflective surfaces and poor lighting conditions cause tracking failures that manifest as menu loading problems. Implementing a systematic maintenance schedule prevents most persistent menu issues. This includes weekly cache clearing, monthly Guardian boundary refreshes, and quarterly factory resets for heavy users. Proper usage patterns significantly reduce menu loading issues. Limit continuous VR sessions to 2 hours maximum, followed by 15-minute cooling periods to prevent overheating. Meta has implemented AI-powered diagnostics that automatically predict and resolve common menu loading issues. Enhanced recovery modes now provide quick UI restarts and selective component resets. If problems persist despite these measures, the root causes are typically overheating from blocked ventilation, lighting interference from reflective surfaces, or network connectivity issues blocking Meta services. By implementing these advanced troubleshooting techniques and prevention strategies, you can resolve most persistent Quest 3 menu loading issues and maintain optimal VR performance.